Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a camera widget on the home screen in your Samsung phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen. After that, at the bottom you can find widgets option, then just tap here. From here scroll down a bit, then just tap on camera, and that's it. Here you can find three kinds of camera widget, and you can add any widget on the home screen as you like. Suppose if you want to add this camera widget to your home screen, just touch and hold it and drag and drop it to the home screen, and it's done. You can see the widgets has been added successfully. Now if you touch and hold it, then tap on settings option. From here you can customize your camera widget. Here you can find shape, and from here you can change your background shape. You can see so many options, and you can choose any design as you like. If I select it and then scroll down, from here you can change your title on widget. Just tap here and then type anything as you want, then tap on save. You can enable watermark option from here. If you want to add any widget background, just tap here and then tap on select an image. From here you can choose any image as you like, then just tap on save, then tap on save again, and it's done. And that is how you can add camera widget on the home screen in your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.